how to create interactive particle background in Wix Studio. So what we can do in that case is to first head over right here to your Wix Studio editor and you should be able to see this. So for this case, let's head over and then create in here a blank section. You can just hover to the actual openings right here or to the overlap of your sections and you should be able to see there an add section option. If not, you can head over and then just click onto this plus icon. And then from in there, just head over and then click on sections. And then from there, let's head over and then input right here a blank section. I now have a blank section. Next thing is to click onto this add an element option. And then from in there, it should able to open this. Go over right here to the embed and social. And then click onto this embed code and then proceed to click on it in order to add it right here into your site. And also just drag and drop it to the blank section that we have. Now for this code, just head over and open your inspector by clicking onto this button. And then for this one, you can see it's responsive behavior. So for this one, let's choose here the stretch option. Now as you can see, the whole section will be entangled with this code. Now what we can do is we just need to head over right here into this link that you can see right here into your screen and then copy the code given by that particular link. Once you have copied the code, click onto this enter code option. And then from in there, just head over and then enter right here the code that we have copied. So here it is right here. Click on update. And then from in there, as you can see, we have now this interactive particle background into right here. So you can also adjust the particle number, those distance of those particles, as well as the colors of those particles using the code that we have right there. So we have in here the height, the width, margin, and the likes for that particular particle that you can see right here. So that's how you actually create interactive particle background in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.